Some of the biggest business mistakes I've seen don't come from bad ideas at all. They come from good people partnering with the wrong people. Because even smart, values-driven founders can end up with the wrong room. And when that happens, it can cost them everything: time, momentum, money. Hi, I'm Lou, your entrepreneurial advisor. If your business is eating up your time and energy, and all you want is space to breathe, travel, or be present with your family, you're not alone. I help entrepreneurs clear the chaos, fix what's slowing them down, and build a business that gives them their life back with structure, clarity, and hands-on support. Let's get you moving forward again with more time for what actually matters. I'm going to show you how to spot the red flags before you say yes to a partnership that ends up draining your energy or completely derailing your vision. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to look for so you can collaborate with confidence and skip the regret. You could have amazing systems, a rock-solid offer, and real traction in your business. But if you bring in a partner who doesn't share your pace, your vision, or your priorities, it's like adding friction to every single decision you make. And not the kind of friction that helps you grow. I'm talking about the kind that throws you into cleanup mode instead of building mode. Unfortunately, sometimes the misalignment is sneaky. One person's ready to sprint while the other one's dragging their feet. One sees this as a fun side hustle while the other is betting everything on it. Or maybe they keep chasing whatever's trendy while you're focused on building something long-term and sustainable. Suddenly, you're spending more time managing emotions than actually running the business. So how do you avoid this? Before you sign anything or even give a verbal yes, you've got to check for alignment in 3 areas. First is pace. How fast do they want to move? Are they reliable or do they drag things out? Second is vision. Do they see the future of the business the same way you do? Or are they unknowingly building 2 completely different outcomes? And third are priorities. What matters most to them? Is it creating a legacy, making quick revenue, getting visibility? You've got to know what drives them. And here's the real question. Do you share values or just vibes? Because values, they keep things grounded when business gets hard. But vibes, they fade the moment things get tough. Partnerships have the power to take your business higher or slowly unravel everything you've worked for. So do yourself a favor and check for real alignment before you say yes. When your values, vision, and pace match up, growth gets easier, and there's way less drama in the process. This is the kind of thing I help my community members with all the time, spotting the red flags early and setting up guardrails so the mission and momentum stay protected. If you're in that should I partner phase, or maybe you're already trying to untangle a messy collaboration, grab my T.R.E.I Business Starter Kit. Inside you'll find the partnership checklist I give to my community members. It's the exact tool they use to evaluate every potential partnership before the paperwork ever hits the table.